morning, student. All are welcome. First of all, in 10th standard, in mathematics class, numbers and learners, they are known as eyes to humans. எண்ணன்ப ஏனை எழுத்தன்ப இவ்விரண்டும் கண்ணன்ப வாழும் உயிர்க்கு. எண்ணும் எழுத்தும் important in human life. Okay, we are going to 10th mathematics class. First, I explained the blueprint 2020 and 21. How type of question there in your question paper? 1 mark question, 1 mark, 2 mark, 5 mark, 8 mark. There are 4 types of questions. Answer the question. How many 1 mark questions are there? There are 14 questions. 2 mark questions. Answered questions are 10 questions. 5 mark question. Answered question is 10 questions. 8 mark questions. Answered question 2 questions. 14 questions. Book back question 10 questions. 5 questions are creative formulas. Right. 10 questions. 14 questions are there in your question paper. You are answered 10 questions. But 28 is compulsory. Is also 5 mark. Question number 42 is compulsory. There are 2 8 mark questions. The first question is either or type. Question number 43 and also question number 44 are either or type question. Question number 43 practical geometry or practical geometry. Question number 44 graph. Both of them graph. Next, we are going to the first chapter in your 10th mathematics book, relation and functions. Relation and functions. The great German mathematician Leibniz used the word function. The great German mathematician Leibniz used the word function. Leibniz provided the foundations of formal logic and Boolean algebra, which are fundamental of modern computers. Leibniz is hailed as the father of applied sciences. The notation of sets provides stimulus for learning higher concept in mathematics. A function, the chapter function, how to create the German mathematician to convert set language. You are studied in 9th mathematics in set language. Set language, there are 2 related topics. One is relation, another one is function. You are studied in 9th standard mathematics in set language, but the continuation of set language is improved to two types of chapters. Number one, relation. Another one is function. We have studied in 9th standard concept of sets. We have also seen how to form new sets from the given sets by taking union, intersection, and finally complementation. A power C or A dash or A bar, all are notations of complement sets. Okay, first introduced in this chapter the concept ordered pair. What is the definition of ordered pair? A number pair is called an ordered pair. What is the definition of ordered pair? What is the definition of ordered pair? A number pair is called an ordered pair of numbers. What is the ordered pair? Give some anyone example. I give some for example. 4, 10. We are used already the points in your graph sheet. Flag the point 4, 10. What is the meaning about in this point? 4. What is 4? What is 10? This is a Cartesian format. What is 4? X-axis distance is 4. Y-axis distance is 10. In your graph sheet, what is meaning of 4? The origin to move horizontally. What is 10? Vertically, you are moved in vertical. What is the position of 4, 10? For example, you are going to cinema theatre. In your ticket, number is 4, 10. What is the meaning about 4, 10? 4th row, 10th seat. Okay? What is related to this? 4 is your row. 4th row. What is the meaning? 4th row, 10th seat. What is the another example for 10, 4? What is the meaning? 10th row, 4th seat. Okay. Do 4, 10, 10, 4 to the same location. Anybody? Nobody. I answered this question. 10, 4 and 4, 10 is the same location? No. Why? There are different locations. 4, 10 means 4th row, 10th seat. 10, 10 comma 4 means 10th row, 4th seat. So, what is the conclusion? The conclusion about 4 comma 10 is not equal to 10 comma 4. Okay? Are you understand? Yes, understand. What is the meaning about the ordered pair? Ordered pair means a number pair is called an ordered pair of numbers. Okay. Next, Cartesian product. Next, we are going to Cartesian products. Next, we are going to Cartesian products. What is the meaning? What is the definition? This is a new chapter. Right. Let us understand the following set. Let us consider two sets. The first set, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Consider the another set, B is equal to A, B, C. Okay. Right. To find the Cartesian product. The another name of Cartesian product is also known as cross product. Cartesian product is another name is cross product. Right. Let us consider the two sets. First set, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The another one set, B is equal to A, B, C. How to find the Cartesian product? A cross B. How to find, sir? To find the two sets, 1, A, 1, B, 1, C. The ordered pairs, 1, A, 1, B, 1, C. The similar way, 2, A, 2, B, 2, C, and so on. 3, A, 3, B, 3, C. 2, A, 2, B, 2, C. 3, A, 3, B, and finally 3, C. The reverse order is not applicable. Only consider the first set A, secondary the another set B. A, 1, B, A, 2, A, 3. The reverse process is not applicable in the Cartesian product. Is applicable. How? Why? B cross A. To find the Cartesian product of B cross A. How to find, sir? A, 1, A, 2, A, 3. B, 1, B, 2, B, 3. C, 1, C, 2, C, 3. So, this collection represents is called Cartesian product of the sets. The given, consider two sets. Okay. What is the definition of the Cartesian product? What is the definition of the Cartesian product? If capital A and capital B are two non-empty sets, if capital A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that small a belongs to capital A, small b belongs to capital B, is called the Cartesian product. Is called the Cartesian product of A and B, and it is denoted by A cross B. What is the definition of the Cartesian product? Let us consider two non-empty sets, capital A and B. What is the meaning of the non-empty set? To find the Cartesian product, empty set, one set is empty set. Empty set means null set, void set. Any one elements does not in your sets. No elements in your set. This is a null set, void set, empty set. So non-empty set means one more numbers are there in your brackets. This set is called non-empty set. One more sets. One number or more numbers in this parenthesis is called non-empty set. So, first of all, to find the Cartesian product, let us consider two non-empty sets. One set is A and another set is B. These two are non-empty sets. So, to create the ordered pairs, previously, to create the collection of ordered pairs A cross B is called Cartesian product. Okay? Are you understand? Yes, understand. Right. B cross A is also possible. A cross B is the set of all possible ordered pairs between the elements of A and B, that the first coordinate is an element of A and the second coordinate is an element of B. The first element, small a, belongs to capital A. The another element, small b, belongs to capital B. Okay? Yes? Note some questions, some creative questions are there. In general, A cross B is equal to B cross A. Is A cross B is equal to B cross A? Anybody? No, sir. In general, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. But n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A. How, sir? How? The Cartesian product A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A. This notation n of A cross B means, sir, what is the meaning? Number of elements in A cross B. N of A cross B means total number of elements in A cross B. N of B cross A means total number of elements in B cross A. For example, A, let us consider A equal to 1, 2. The another set B is equal to 3. To find A cross B and B cross A. To find A cross B is equal to the ordered pair 1, 3. Another one is 2, 3. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B. The reverse one, B cross A. 3, 1, 3, 2. Is equal? No. There are different ordered pairs. So, what is the conclusion? So, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. To find n of A cross B, how many ordered pairs are there? There are 2 ordered pairs. The another one, total number of elements in B cross A, n of B cross A is equal to 2. So, what is the conclusion? Right. A cross B is not equal to B cross A, and n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A. This is result number 1. The first result. This is important one-word questions. If A and B are 2 non-empty sets, the Cartesian product A cross B is not equal to B cross A. N of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A. Let us consider the another Cartesian product. Let us consider the another Cartesian product A cross B is equal to pi, empty set. A cross B is equal to empty set, null set, no elements in your set. So A cross B is equal to empty. What is the result? If and only if. What is the symbols are? If and only if. IFF. This is another notation of if and only if. So, necessary or sufficient condition. If and only if. A cross B is equal to pi if and only if any one set A equal to pi or the another set B is equal to pi. Any one set is empty set, then the result of the Cartesian product A cross B is a null set. Are you understand? Yes, understand. Next, we are going to another set. Another set A is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to 3, 4. A cross B equal to what? To find, create the ordered pairs 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 3, 1, 4. The another ordered pairs 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay. What is to create the next result? What results are? The result. N of A equal to what? Number of elements in A. There are 2 elements. Number of elements in B. There are 2 elements. Number of elements in A cross B. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements. What is your conclusion? To create the new result, N of A cross B is equal to N of A into N of B. Do not find A cross B. N of A equal to 2 elements. N of B equal to 2 elements. Multiplying these 2, N of A into N of B. So, how many elements in the Cartesian product A cross B? Only multiplied by N of A into N of B is equal to N of A cross B. Okay? Okay. Right. This is to find, to learn ordered pairs and Cartesian product. How to find the Cartesian product A cross B and B cross A. Right. To learn in this area, there are 2 topics. To find ordered pairs and another one is Cartesian product. And we get, finally, there are 3 results. What is the result, sir? One more time, repeat in this result. In general, A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but N of A cross B is equal to N of B cross A. Very important result. The another one is A cross B is equal to pi empty if and only if the set A equal to pi. Any one set A or B is a compulsory null set. A equal to pi or B equal to pi. Right. The third result, N of A is equal to P and N of B is equal to Q. That implies N of A cross B is equal to what, sir? PQ, n of A into n of B. We get the result. N of A cross B is equal to PQ, right? You are already studied 6th standard and also 7th standard and also 8th standard and also 9th standard. Now you are studying number system, number theory. You are well known studied in the previous classes, right? Standard infinite state. Standard infinite set. You are studying already. First, number 1, natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural number is denoted by capital N, starting with 1 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right. Second infinite set. Whole numbers. Whole numbers is denoted by W, starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right? Third one, integers. Integers is denoted by Z. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and so on. Next one, rational numbers. Fourth one, rational numbers. Rational number is denoted by Q, quantum. What type of numbers are called rational numbers? The fraction format is called rational numbers. P by Q. P by Q type of numbers are called rational numbers, such that the both numerator and denominator number is belongs to Z. Both of them. P comma Q is belongs to Z and Q, the denominator, is not equal to 0. Okay, here recall the standard infinite sets. There are 4 infinite sets are given. Natural number is denoted by N, starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole number starting with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Integers is denoted by Z is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Left side, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Recalling the standard infinite set. These sets used in your topic you are already studying in 9th standard set language. What is the language? What type of language? Set language in mathematically to find A union B, A intersection B, A complement A slash B, B slash A symmetric B, B symmetric A, all are studied in the previous class 9th standard. I recalling how to find union, how to find intersection, how to find the complement, and also how to find slash. The difference, natural number is denoted by n, whole number is denoted by w, integers is denoted by z, and finally the rational number is denoted by q, right? In these sets used in set builder form, you are already studied in 10th standard. Let us consider one example of set builder form. What is the set builder form? Here A is equal to 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. One example, A is equal to x such that x comma 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. You are studying in already 9th standard? Yes, you are studying. Right. What is the meaning, sir? What are the numbers in the set E? What type of sets are? This is set builder form. This is one of the set. Right. What are the elements are there? A is equal to. What is this? How to read in this? X greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. How to read? One more time repeat. X greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. What is the value of x? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. X is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal means including the corner values. Equal, less than or equal to, including the number 4. So what are the numbers? X equal to what? X, get the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? This is roster form of sets. Okay. Right. Next. Some of the students how to find A union B. How to find, sir? A intersection B, A slash B, B slash A, A difference B, B difference A complement. All of them to study in 9th standard class. One more time repeat. How to find union, intersection, slash, difference, complements are. Consider the set A equal to 1, 2. The another set B is equal to 3. To find A union B, sir, to join these two sets 1, 2, 3. How to find A intersection B? Intersection. What is the meaning of the intersection? Any common elements are there. Same elements are there. Any elements? No. So, empty set A intersection B equal to what? Empty. Right? Next. A difference B. How to find, sir? What is A? A equal to 1, 2. Slash. What is B? 3. How to find, sir? Get result. Easy. Right? First of all, the denominator cancelled. The denominator repeat in numerator? No. So, what is the A slash B? The number 3 in A. Get lost the number 3. Here the numerator in 3? No. So, what is the value of A slash B? A slash B equal to what? 1, 2. B slash A, the similar way to find B slash A. Okay? Next, meet another class. Okay?